Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ruling out the obvious hardware causes. Check the cable, dongle, or batteries, because a loose connector or dead cells is the most common culprit. Once done, restart your computer and open the on-screen keyboard to verify input versus hardware failure. If it still fails, move the keyboard to a different USB port or use a different cable. This isolates port power, or PHY, faults quickly and keeps you from chasing software fixes prematurely. Next, you focus on software and configuration. Open Device Manager and inspect the keyboard entry. A warning icon means a driver issue. Uninstall and reinstall the driver, or download the latest firmware from the manufacturer. This resolves protocol or key mapping bugs. Make sure your input language and keyboard layout match what you expect, and disable filter keys or accessibility options that can block rapid input. These steps fix mismatches and subtle OS-level blocks that mimic hardware failure. For final verification, reboot into BIOS or a recovery console and test typing there. If keys work, the issue is software. If they do not, you have a hardware fault. Open the key area. Use compressed air to clear debris, and on mechanical keyboards, remove keycaps to inspect switches for damage or corrosion. Once cleaned and retested, swap in another keyboard to confirm. If symptoms persist, replace the switch or the unit. If problems continue after replacement, contact vendor support for RMA options.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.